A staggering 1,000% increase in sexual violence against children in Haiti has turned their bodies into battlegrounds. Rosalind is a girl I met, not her real name. Rosalind is 16. Late last year, she left her friend's house to go to the shop and was abducted by armed men. She was placed in a van with a number of other young girls and taken to a warehouse. There, she was extensively beaten. She was drugged and, over what she believes to be the course of a month, relentlessly raped. She's currently in a UNICEF-supported safe house with more than a dozen other young girls, all receiving care. 85% of the capital of Haiti is controlled by armed groups. It's an astounding case of insecurity for a capital city. So right now, up to half of all armed group members are children, some as young as 8 years old. Many are taken by force, others are manipulated, many are driven by extreme poverty. It's a lethal cycle. Children are recruited into the groups that then fuel their own suffering. Essential services have collapsed in Haiti. More than 500,000 children have been displaced. And yet, Haitians refuse to give up. Take just one example. UNICEF has 135,000 U reporters. Now, these people embody the commitment of Haitians, everyday Haitians, bringing energy, dedication and help to those who need it most. Programs that meet children's needs can disrupt the cycles of violence. Haiti's progress starts with children.